Tired of hopping between Gmail and Outlook just to check your emails? Well, today I'm going to show you how to seamlessly integrate your Gmail account into Microsoft Outlook so you can manage everything in one place. First, head over to your Gmail account in a web browser and click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner, then select See All Settings. Now navigate to the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab, scroll down to the IMAP Access section and make sure that IMAP is enabled if it's disabled. Select Enable IMAP and then click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Next, it's crucial to ensure your Gmail account is secure. Go to the Security tab in your Google account settings. If you have two-step verification enabled, you're good to go. If not, I highly recommend turning it on for added security. If you have two-step verification enabled, you might need to create an app password for Outlook. In the Security tab, scroll down to How You Sign In to Google and click App Passwords. Select Mail as the app and Windows Computer as the device. Then click Generate. Write this password down, as you'll need it shortly. Now open Microsoft Outlook, click on File in the top left corner, then select Add Account. Enter your full Gmail address and click Connect. You'll be redirected to a Google Sign-In page. Enter your Gmail password, or if you're using two-step verification, use the app password you generated earlier. Outlook will ask for permission to access your Gmail account. Click Allow. And that's it. Your Gmail account is now successfully added to Outlook. You should see your Gmail emails, folders, and labels syncing automatically. Now you can enjoy managing all your emails from one convenient location. For more Outlook tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe.